Thank you. I'm standing here with Fabian Roussel, who is one of Cox's longest sponsors. He's a partner with Peak Performance Physical Therapy. Now, Fabian, I know that you guys offer a lot of different things at Peak Performance Physical Therapy, but one of the things that you offer is aquatic therapy. Could you please tell me a little bit more about that?
Well, what aquatic therapy is that many of our patients are unable to perform land-based type of exercises. So what aquatic therapy does is by having them in water, the buoyancy of the water decreases some of the weight on their joints. So we could be treating anything from an athlete who is trying to recover back to return to play, or maybe an older patient who has a lot of arthritis and weight-bearing exercise is just too much for them. So we can get them in the water, we can have it set a warmer temperature which is comfortable on the joints, and we can take them to a series of exercises, anything from walking to actually doing leg exercises or just any type of specific movements through the pool.
Great. And what type of activities do you typically take your clients or athletes through whenever they need the aquatic therapy?
Usually we start those type of athletes first in the pool, okay? And what we do is by taking them through the pool, again, we decrease the buoyancy, decrease the body weight, the stress on the joints, build a base or build a foundation. When pain is permitting and when their prognosis from their injury is permitting, we get them on land, and then we start getting them on land-based exercises, because as we know, in order for them to function, they have to be able to run, cut, pivot, twist, and then those joints are then ready to take on that stress.
Great. Well, thank you so much for informing me a little bit more on the aquatic therapy. If any of our viewers out there have any other issues, you should come see our guys at Peak Performance Physical Therapy for any of your needs. They have 6 locations, one nearest you. Back to you.